Hello, welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. So today I'll be releasing multiple videos and it'll be a quick format because I have a lot of things in the pipeline that I have been buying recently and unfortunately though they are going up crazy. So it's not unfortunate, but the thing is I want to get it out there. So I released Senseonics, Transcentrix and Enra Life Sciences last week. As you know, a lot of them are doubled, more than doubled, and then Nria, which is NDRA symbol, actually went up by 20% also. So today, from the first video, I want to talk about Copin and Vuzix. So Vuzix, VUZI, I'll show in a minute. And I have been buying that for a while. And I think 5 weeks back, I released 2 or 3 videos on that. I'll show in a minute. And then why I'm positive about it. In those videos, I told clearly the next quarter results going to go skyrocket, and that's what happening. And they're getting order by order. The stock was $5, and it's now actually almost $12 or $13. So with Vuzix, I'm also buying basically brick and mortar play in the same sector known as Copin. I think Copin also is going up recently, but I'll tell you in reasons why they are going up and why you might be interested in the sector. So I'll be giving multiple videos in a quick format, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So you don't have to know everything. You can pick what you want. You can invest if you like some of those. So especially remember, I'm releasing some of those are like penny stocks. And if you remember, first time I released all the stocks, Riot, Mara, Fuel Cell, even Renasol, all those are penny stocks just a few months back. Okay. So people are dumping money into solar stocks last week like anything. For example, Renasol, when I bought it was dollar and $2. Now it is trading at $33, which is 17x. So 10x. So when I started this channel, I was hoping some of these stocks go to 10x for a period of couple of years. Now I think the market is so bubbled up, they are going 5 to 10x in few months. So I certainly wanted to present quickly. I'm not going to go every detail for half an hour video, but quick 5 minute video. This is what I think, whether I'm in or what is my strategy and how to make money out of that. So hopefully you like this format and let me know what you think. I'm not going to do like 30 minutes detailed video with a research on it because then I can't cover a lot of stocks. So this is what the format I'm going to go and start with Vuzix and Copin and go with other videos quickly, especially exciting videos because I like them a lot and then I'm going to invest money. And at the same time, Transcentrix, Senseonics, and also Endra. I have been buying on dips, and as I said, long term, I did not sell even covered calls. I'll be selling covered calls if they go up a lot. But at the time, I'm holding thousands of stocks, almost anywhere between 200 to 300% return on that already. So hopefully you like what I'm showing today. And again, these are bubbled up like in last couple of weeks a lot. So sometimes if you buy at these prices, you better buy the stock and sell covered calls or sell the puts at like 30-40% below the current market price. That way you don't lose money if they go. And in fact, they fluctuate a lot. So you always get 10-15% discount in a day itself if you follow properly or if there is a down day. So let me cover some of the stocks and see what you like. And please send me comments so that I know whether you like this format or not. Thank you. Go to my channel and you say type in Vuzix, you will get these videos. So last time, I think 5 weeks back when I uploaded this video, so this was around five to $6 close to. So now if you take a look at it, Vuzix, it's close to $12.30, 30 cents. So as you can see here, the range, when I started buying, it was $2-3. Now it's almost like 5-6 times. So if you get into my details, why I was bullish on those few weeks back, and exactly what happened in this week. So Steve Weiss, if you know or not, I'm a big fan of him. He comes on CNBC a lot of times, especially off time, and he recommended Jumia when it was single digits. So Jumia is now $60. So I get my picks from a lot of places, and then today his pick was Vuzix again. So if you look at the Vuzix, this news, so it has been being halted and it's going up crazy last Friday. So they have announced collaboration with Hippo, which is a huge news. So if you look at it, Hippo Technologies to connect global surgeons and healthcare providers with medical networks. So Vuzix is also kind of a 5G play, and they are using the smart glasses for both 5G and COVID plays, and a lot of pharmacy companies they are using for, and also remote working. In my last videos, I told their quarter going to, they'll have excellent quarter, and again from $2 million to $4 million, they went up. The quarter doubled actually, and they have been giving better estimates almost like every month like this. Okay, so then they have a lot of partnerships and a lot of new sales. So this is not me talking. Let's look at an article that they are talking about. So Vuzix stock is a winner, but how much and higher it can go? So there is no stopping in Vuzix. However, Maximum Analyst thinks there is more to come. The 5-star analyst expects 2021 to mark significant growth inflection point. So let me look at this guy. Okay, so if you go and look at that guy in tip ranks, his picks 80% are successful, and then 5-star rank 95 out of 7,300, and average written is 84%. So before you read any video or any article, look at the credentials of that person. That's what I do. So if the guy is 40% and his written is 10%, I can do better than that. So I'm not going to follow him. So, but he has been recommending Vuzix for a while, just like me, but he upgraded this. So the thing you need to understand is, I usually try to bring these before an analyst coverage or CNBC coverage. Otherwise, by the time multiple analysts cover, the stock is already up like 200-300%. So if you look at the article, why Vuzix is going up, first of all, the company just released Q4 preliminary update. The company anticipates revenue over $4 million. So balance sheet boost, and company also recognized by industry known as next generation smart glasses, recently received 3 CES 2021 awards. We know they have a lot of patents. This is one of the oldest company in this, and they are the biggest seller, commercial seller. Okay, if Facebook, Google, they are making, Microsoft, they are making glasses, their sales are completely different than a small company like Vuzix. So increasing number of positive updates regarding product launches and signups. So a lot of customers were added, including December and January. So the return is almost went up by 500% in a year. Okay, so that is how it was, dollar to almost $1,200. So if you look at it, that's the reason why I told 1.5 months back Vuzix. So what am I doing right now with this? So I have several stocks, several hundred stocks, and then I have been selling puts also. The stock actually, if you look at it, it fluctuates. So there is a momentum, like the stock, you can see $11.5 to $10, $11 to $10. See, it went up like this. So you can get much, I think, deeper discounts than $12.30 if there is a down day, and there is a huge premium also on the options. So this is very high price, at a premium price. It went up like a lot in last $9 to $13. So this is a high premium price right now, but in my view, I am still going to invest around $9 and $10 if it's going to fall back, and then I'm going to keep selling puts because I already sold covered calls. This is one thing. So in the same sector, I want to cover another stock, okay, so which is known as Copin. So if you look at, okay, so this is another stock I have been buying recently. If you look at company profile, Copin Corporation is a developer, manufacturer, and seller of wearable technology, which include components and systems. So if you think Vuzix is a manufacturer, but they do not make all the components for this VR, AR, 3D glasses. So this is the company which is like a brick and mortar or pick and shovel play you can think of, and they are the one who makes these components for a lot of these AR and smart display companies. So I'll show you in a minute. And as you can see here, within a 1 week, almost $3 to $4.50. So this is another one, and that I have been buying. So that's why I want to get it quickly. Again, it went up a lot, but you'll get a lot of opportunities. But keep a look. The reason why is still it's a small company. Reason I'll show you in a PowerPoint presentation. This Copin presentation. I'm going to go quickly, and this is very recent presentation as well. So if you look at it, what they're trying to do, right? So leading provider of specialized solutions combining advanced micro display and optic technologies. So this is defense is 70% and rest is a 30% market share. So basically they develop micro display technologies and they sell to the companies into making these smart devices. So their customers are General Dynamics, a lot of, as I said, the defense, right? So L3 Harris and then General Dynamics and aerospace are defense, and obviously also 3M, Scott, and Lockheed Martin. There are multiple companies. Just like Vuzix, they have multiple patents, close to 200 patents, and then 926 quarter revenue of 34 million, clean balance sheet, and no debt. So this is a kind of a company because this came back into bar chart weeks back, and that's why I've been buying. So knowing these companies buying ahead before these runs is what you need to understand. So some of these companies have moved up, but still they have a lot of potential. That's the reason why I'm presenting and I'm still keeping buying these stocks on down. So this is what they manufacture, and then this is the defense and enterprise and industries and consumer wise Garmin, Solos, and Flood systems. If you see interesting, they also have a Vuzix for which they supply, and now Google glasses, so other companies. So more companies going to come, and they are not going to manufacture themselves all these smart displays. They have to buy from either Copin or I'll show you in a minute. So they have proprietary technologies. I'm just going through browse quickly. Okay. So if you look at here, their market share is they have a special signed up US defense contracts. Vuzix has some, but very limited. But these guys are in big defense contractors. So, for US Army and General Dynamics, through General Dynamics and Healthy Harris. And they have largest pipeline development, and also their backlog is very high. So enterprise wise, obviously, so they supply to Google Glass and 3M and other manufacturers of these smart displays. So LED micro displays. So they had a lot of, similar to Vuzix, they had a lot of agreements. What you need to understand, this is a growing industry. So these guys getting tons of purchases. So that's why these revenues, they are every quarter they are increasing their guidance, and at the same time they are making that money and they are increasing their backlog as well. Okay, so headset, display, optics, these are the things, and 20 plus patent related to OLED display and 200 plus pending or issued patents. Okay, So this is obviously, I don't care any of all those patents. As long as they make money, it's fine. Otherwise, they are useless for me. So you can see here, quarter three, it was 2019 was 20, quarter three 2020 was 26%. So this is still 30% up. Similarly, quarter three 2019, 6 versus 9 million. So they actually they make profit. They were not profitable last year, but they are now making profit. So keep an eye on this stock, and on dips, I'll certainly love to add more to the position. And they have no debt, and then pretty much it's a small company in a growing market, which I think they'll be successful. So this is the first two things I want to cover. So I'm still positive on Vuzix, still positive in Copin, and then I'm big bullish on this industry because that is where they are getting orders. They are actually making a lot of sales. Hopefully you like it. Please click the like button. Let me know what you think about these companies.